Hey, how's it going, Tara? Orlando Gonzalez. I got your information from Ty. I spoke with him earlier on the phone today. So I appreciate you clicking on this video. In this video, I simply just want to show you three things that you guys can implement yourself to get you guys more customers through the door and get you more visitors on your website. Now, you're probably asking why, right? Why would I be making a video like this? I've simply seen that a lot of business owners simply don't have the time to come in here, do the research on the internet to see how it truly impacts the growth of a business. And a lot of times, even when we go out to outsource this, we hesitate because we don't know who the expert is and who isn't. Everybody kind of claims to be the expert nowadays, and everybody just knows the business apparently. And I've seen that by giving examples like this and showing you a video of tips and tricks that you guys can implement yourself has resulted in some of these companies still coming back and saying, "Hey, you know what, Orlando? We'd like to work with you." So, Tara, if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you believe that I have like plenty of skills up my sleeve, send me a message and we'll chat. Or if you simply just, like I said, just want to implement these tips and tricks yourself, that is absolutely fine with me. All I ask for is a review on how I did on this video at the end of it. So, Tara, let's just get right into it. The three things that we'll be talking about is content, citation, and backlinks. Now, with content, Google loves content. They love to see it. The more content you have on your page, the more that it appears that you are a expert on your topic. And obviously, you guys are experts, so you guys really want to approach that in that way. And that way, it gives you the right representation when your customers come and visit your website to see what you guys are all about. With your content, you want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words in there. That's what that home page on that first page of searches. That's what all those websites have. That's the average. So if we come in here and we grab, and by the way, I love the design of all of this. I love the layout. I love the space. The creativity on this is just awesome. It's really easy on the eyes, really easy to read and get through. So that's really awesome. If you see everything that I'm about to highlight here, this is all going to be considered content, and that's going to be including pictures and videos, what they're saved as, and what's behind them. So if you see everything that is getting get here, if we come in here and let's see, if we come in here and look at this, you have a almost 600 words. So you're a little short, but that's okay. With you guys being an HVAC company, with the amount of services that you guys do provide, the different type of sources and the areas that you guys provide these services in, that's not going to be a problem for you guys to add that content. Now, with content, the type of content you want to add in there, like I said, is the services, but you also want to implement keywords or key phrases. Now, what a keyword is just what you would come in here to type in when you're looking for an HVAC company. Say you're looking for an AC repair, so you would do Mesa, Arizona AC repair. So that's your key phrase, and that key phrase alone is getting 320 searches every single month. So by you guys not being on this first page, being that top 10 website, you guys are really missing out on a lot of potential clients that are looking for your service. So we come in here and we look for that specific key phrase on your website. It's nowhere to be found. So when you guys are integrating all this new content, you really want to implement Mesa, Arizona AC repair in there a couple times just so you can get found for in your local area. And that's, like I said, including pictures and videos. If you guys have any, like any of this stuff, save image as. If we come in here, you can see at home banners. So it's just named at random. You can even name that your key phrases that you're trying to get found for, name your pictures and stuff like that. That's just going to get you that's just the big difference in some of these big companies and some of these guys are getting a bunch of calls and are ranked a lot higher is these tiny little differences in your content and the amount of content that you're creating. So with the second thing is citation. All a citation is the name of your company, the address, and a phone number. This is where it's going to get you ranked up into this Google My Business area or Google Map Packs, whichever one you want to call it. Now you're trying to get your citation or your contact information and as many directories as possible. Some of these examples would be like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Page, Yelp. All of these would be great examples to go out there and grab to put your information on some of these bigger platforms to put your contact information and get found. Um, this third area, this is the organic search area. This is where a lot of your search is going to come from. This is where backlinks are going to come in, and this is kind of a combination of all three. But the biggest factor in all of this is backlinks. Now, with backlinks, you want to think of it as like popularity contest. All of Google is pretty much a big popularity contest. They're just trying to see it as many websites cite A on your website, giving you a link back to your website. Website B. Um, showing Google that you're a trustworthy website, you're a trustworthy HVAC company in the area, in the Mesa area, or in the surrounding areas for that matter. Um, but with site A, the other website that you're trying to get the link from, or that your link is on going back to your website, you want to get something that's relatable. Not all backlinks and citations are created equal. So, an example of this would be like if you guys did a job for a restaurant, so you guys did some maintenance or new construction, maybe some add-ons, you guys added some duct work, or whatever the case is that you guys did. They say you guys did a great job, blah, 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 blah. They give you guys a link going back to your home page, and you guys trustworthy. Google's gonna see that because you guys aren't in the restaurant game. You guys don't sell food. You guys are in HVAC, refrigerant, duct. You guys need to get something that's related or familiar or very close to the service in the field of service that you guys provide. Uh, Maybe some adjacent companies would work. An HVAC that's adjacent of you guys. Um, Contractors, general contractors that maybe you guys have worked with in the past. Those will all be great examples to go out and get websites and get links from their websites to yours to give you the maximum authority and in Google's eyes, because that's the big thing that they're going to look out for this area right here. Um, Quick little recap. Um, Content, 1,500 words. Citations, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of these things, and backlinks, popularity contests. But you want to get things that are relatable to the field that you're in. Don't go out and go get some restaurants that are not related and you're not in the restaurant game. With this, if you're trying to get into this top three, you want to go out and get the backlinks that your competition has. Um, Say they have 300 backlinks, you want to go out there and go get 400 because you're trying to blow out your competition out of the water. With this area, you want to go in here, grab the citations that they have, do the research on the citations, and we can come in here and look at this. Um, this is just one of the tools that I use. This is called Ahrefs. It's a great tool that you guys can go out and grab. It is a couple $100 a month, but it is very beneficial so you can see the what works for your website and what doesn't. If you can see here, you have 196 backlinks that'll bring it that you have 46 keywords that you're getting found for. If we come in here and look at one of your other competitors, I just chose Penguins Air. Just they're one of the top dogs in that whole area and the surrounding areas for that matter. Uh, you can see that they have a little over 2,000 backlinks and getting found for almost 9,000 keywords. So they seem like very big numbers in comparison to you guys, but it's very doable. With you guys being an HVAC company, very, very, very doable, very easy. It is going to take a little bit of time, but the faster that you guys start implementing all these tips and tricks, the faster you're going to start seeing yourself get ranked a lot higher into those top two, top three pages where you really want to find yourself at. Um, what you want to do, like I said, and not even just Penguin Air, you want to go and grab citations and backlinks from Honest Air, Arizona Dukes, because obviously, if the citations and those backlinks are good enough to rank them on that first page, they're going to be good enough to you, for you and your website to put them on there. So you just pretty much want to do like a copycat system. Do the research. Some of these citations and backlinks are going to require you to give some money, some purchase. Others are going to just require you to sign up. Others are going to have to contact the owner. So it's just going to be depending on which ones you want to go out and grab and try to grab as many as you can so you can really start competing with these top guys and get yourself a lot of these customers that are searching up. I mean, you're getting 320 searches every single month. That's a lot of customers that are looking for your service. Um, like that. Faster you implement this, the faster you're going to get ranked. Or if you guys just want to save yourself the headache and the time, uh, give me a call. My number is 719-924-7601. I look forward to speaking with you guys. You guys have a good one.